Hello everybody, I welcome you all to the special activity class. Today we are going to learn about all 28 states and union territories of India along with their capitals and the language used in these areas. We will start naming the states alphabetically. So here we go. Andhra Pradesh. Capital Amaravati. Language Telugu and Urdu. Arunachal Pradesh. Capital Itanagar. Language Hindi and English. Third, Assam. Capital Dispur and language Assamese. Bihar. Capital Patna and language Hindi. Chhattisgarh. Its capital is Raipur and language is Hindi. State Goa. Capital Panji. Language Konkani. Gujarat. Capital Gandhinagar. Language Gujarati and Hindi. State Haryana. Capital Chandigarh. Language Hindi and Haryanvi. Himachal Pradesh. The capital is Shimla and language Hindi. Jharkhand. Capital Ranchi. Language Hindi. Karnataka. The capital is Bengaluru and language Kannada and Tamil. Kerala. Capital Thiruvananthapuram and language is Malayalam. Madhya Pradesh. The capital is Bhopal. Language is Hindi. Maharashtra. The capital is Mumbai and language is Marathi. The next is Manipur. Capital Imphal and language Manipuri. The next is Meghalaya. Capital Shillong and language is English. Mizoram. Capital Aizawl and language is Mizo and English. Nagaland. Capital is Kohima and language is English. Odisha. Capital is Bhubaneswar and language is Odia. The next is Punjab. Capital Chandigarh and language is Punjabi. Rajasthan. Capital Jaipur. Language Rajasthani and Hindi. Sikkim. Capital is Gangtok and language English. Next, Tamil Nadu. Capital is Chennai and language is Tamil. Telangana. The capital is Hyderabad and the language is Telugu. Tripura. Capital is Agartala and language is Tripuri. Uttar Pradesh. The capital is Lucknow and language is Hindi. State Uttarakhand. Capital Dehradun. Language Hindi. West Bengal. Capital Kolkata and language is Bengali. And now it's time for union territories. There are 8 in numbers. The first, Andaman and Nicobar Island. The capital is Port Blair. Language Nicobarese, Hindi and Tamil. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Capital is Silvassa and language used are Gujarati and Hindi. Third UT, Lakshadweep. Capital Kavarati. Language used are Malayalam, Jesseri and Mahal. Puducherry. Capital is Puducherry itself. Language Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, English and French. The next is National Capital Territories of Delhi. Capital is Delhi and language Hindi. Chandigarh. The capital Chandigarh and language is Hindi. Then comes the latest Ladakh. Capital is Leh and the language used is Ladakhi. And number 8, Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir has 2 capitals, Jammu in winter and Srinagar in summer. The language used in J&K is Urdu and Kashmiri. So that's all about the states, union territories and their language. Keep learning and have a great time. Thank you. Bye-bye.